Willkommen.
Willkommen.
It's Oktoberfest time, and it's time for
Prost.
some of the best beer there is, Oktoberfest beer. A time of celebration of the harvest, a time of good beer. Today, that's what we've got, is a really good sample of an Oktoberfest made by a home brewer. So what's in this?
So we've got some Hallertauer and Sass style hops. Those are the German
Go-tos.
the lifeblood of German hops. And you go pick up a traditional German beer, it's not going to taste anything like any Oktoberfest beer you're going to get that's domestic. It's going to taste completely different. You know why?
Why not?
Because they are using hops that you can't, I can't get them.
Mm-hmm.
They're also brewing on recipes that are tried and true.
Centuries old.
Yes. 100-year-old recipes that have not been altered at all because
That's how it was done. And that's how they do it. It's a lot of fun to go to those breweries in Munich. They're all big outdoor. I don't suggest that you play Deutschmarks like quarters because they bring you big old huge beer steins, and shooting those, it was a long morning the next day. But anyway.
it's always a long morning. What do you taste in this beer?
Well, I get good malt with this beer. I mean, I get the malt more than the hops, which is very traditional in a German beer. You're going to get more malt flavor. I hear we've got some pretty good excitement going on in the merchandise category.
So we've got new koozies in. These just came in hot off the press. So we've got the H mark, and then we've got the Lone Ranger on the side. This is a design that you guys haven't seen yet. So just know that I love you guys enough to give you guys variety. We've got these in right now. They come with the koozie and a sticker, and we will also ship them to you. But before we do any of that, you guys need to like and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, we don't get to do this stuff anymore.
Yeah, come on now. Hit the like button. What's there not to like anyway? It's time to go to the Mikey Meter. Looking at this beer, color good, clarity was adequate, but it's missing a little bit of the smoky tanginess that you want in the malt. And because of that, I'm giving it a 6.5 for this year. Looking forward to next year's brew. What's in the brew kettle right now?
So right now we've actually got one of the hardest beer styles to brew is the New England Hazy.
Oh, my favorite.
So we're on the third iteration. I'm gonna let Mike try a little bit of it.
New England Hazy is in the brew kettle. Anything else you want to tell us that you're thinking about doing, or we're gonna do?
Stouts. It's
almost
I
stout
know.
season.
Yeah, I know you guys felt that cold front come through, and it dropped from about 105 to 98. So what I'm gonna be doing pretty soon is some stouts. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you to all who showed up to our Oktoberfest. We've got plenty of brats still left over. We're gonna cook tomorrow, and Mike doesn't have to eat for the next week.
Yeah.
We're gonna feed him.
I'm gonna be
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you do not like and subscribe, your life expectancy will be shortened.
No, this is the first I've heard of it.
So
Hey, that's scientific.
yeah.
Can't
it
argue
worked.
with science.
4 out of 5 doctors do agree with that statement. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.
New England Hazy.
Prost.
Prost.